In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream on Twitch with OBS Studio. First, log into Twitch. Go to the site, sign in, then open your creator dashboard, then Steam Manager. Now, install OBS. Download it from the official OBS website, install and open it. Then, in OBS, go to Settings, Stream, then choose Twitch, then connect your account. Next, under Output, set mode to simple, bitrate to 6000 kbps, and pick your encoder. Now, choose your desktop audio and mic, then set resolution to 1080p and FPS to 60. Now, add sources and scenes, add display or game capture for gameplay and video capture device for your webcam. Then, back in Twitch, set your title, category, and description. Then in OBS, hit start streaming and you're live. And that's it. That's how to stream on Twitch with OBS Studio.